finance, a la shmup. What is an all or none order? Oh, you'd think that spoiled brats only live on playgrounds of participation trophy cities, But that is oh so sadly not true. They roam the wild hallways of Wall Street investment firms in droves. An all or none order means that a buyer or seller of stock either wants all of their shares bought or sold, or none of them. And yes, this applies to bonds, preferred stocks, and other random hybrids as well.
Illustrative example time.
A buyer has a portfolio of $500 million in small-cap growth stocks. Generally speaking, she's told her clients that she won't take less than a 2% position in anything because she wants to be able to focus on a core group of stocks and really be on top of any big movements, hoping to sell the shares before, any huge problems hit a holding. So in this case, she's found a company she loves, an appropriately named coal company for spoiled investors called Mine. The only problem is that the stock is thinly traded. That is, not a ton of shares trade every day, and she needs to own either $10 million worth of stock, which would be a 2% position, or she doesn't want to own any. The stock at the moment is trading at $10.07 a share, and she wants it at $10 or better. Well, at $10.01, she has no interest whatsoever in that stock. At 10.00, she's a buyer. So that is her limit order, but on this all or none order, she waits and waits and waits, knowing that sometimes all or none orders simply never get filled. Other times, they get filled scarily too fast, like the seller knew something the buyer did not. But along comes a bad market day, the White House says something stupid, what are the odds, and the market tanks for an hour. And blam, she is the proud new owner of 1 million shares of Mine. Good for her, those shares are now all hers.